Today's Nasdaq overview is going to be for 1/20/22, and basically it was a repeat of yesterday. So yesterday we came down, tried to come back up, dropped, tried to come back up again, and dropped, and we made a lower low. And that's pretty much what happened today, except we went really low. It dropped a lot. So in the overnight session, you can see that we start making a channel up. We come down to this 039 area, make another channel up, and right at open, we just ripped. We came to this 296.25 area, kind of consolidated a little bit, and then we just completely dumped, right? We dumped, consolidated again. This low volume area acted as resistance, and then just boom, dropped. And we made a lower low on the day again. So the trade that I took for today, which was pretty much the only one, I actually didn't get in until right here at the POC level. I saw we were coming in once I opened up my charts, and immediately I took that trade. We'll go to it here in a second. So that was, so POC was going to be right here at 196, this area. So I saw these two channels going up, then we came down, made a lower high, and I also looked at this down here, and you can see all these red candles. There was no buyers coming in. They were virtually non-existent, and that was something else that made me want to take this trade. And this is pretty much where I try to get in. I went a little too fast, so I didn't get in until actually somewhere around this area. And we started to consolidate, but then we dropped, and I got out for about 25 points. So that was my trade for the day. There's definitely other trades that would have been nice to have, especially probably this one would have been the best trade of the day. This one was also would have been a good trade to have. I mean, either or. If you got in up here, or if you got in down here and you just waited to the end of the day, I mean, you would have been good, right? Because we just completely just dumped and made a lower low. Especially at this area right here. This is 296, I believe. Yeah, 296.25. And you actually have three tests right here. You have 1, 2, 3, and then it just drops. Consolidates, it tests this low volume area, fails, and then just completely just bottomed out through the floor. Right, we could actually probably look at that real quick. What is that? 1135. Okay, so that's about right here. Right there. So you actually have a triple test here too. So buyers come in, and you can see that right here, and then slowly buyers start to wither away. They come up again, and they're virtually non-existent at this point, which is your second test. So you come up, test once, test twice, come back down, test a third time. And if you would have placed an order right here at 294, or if you would have placed it at 296.25 and gave yourself about, 10, 12 points of drawdown, you would have been good. It just drops. And even if you got out right here, you still would have been great. That would have been a 80-point trade, 85-point trade. From here, we just consolidate this area and then try to come back up, and we come down again. And it just kept coming down. So really, yeah, that would have been the trade of the day. If you would have just gave yourself some 10 points, gone in at 296, and just rode it all the way down like a roller coaster. So this was what I believe would have been the trade of the day. I've showed you reasons why I would have taken that trade. There was low buyers in this area right here. Low buyers, sellers were coming in strong. You had a triple test. You actually had 2 triple tests. You see it in the overview on the 5-minute chart, just 1, 2, 3. And then on the range chart, which gives you more data, right, to get in better entries, you also see a triple test there. You add that with low buyers, no buyers coming in, sellers coming in strong, and then you also have this level that you already put in from previous day volumes. Perfect trade, right? I'll be doing more of these videos in the future, showing people trades that I took, the reasons behind them, and I guess it'll be like a end of day chart study, and we'll go over all these trades and we'll learn together. So that's the end of this video. If you liked it, comment, subscribe. If you hate it, let me know, comment, don't subscribe, I don't know, unlike, like, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.